Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your account for Keplr Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to launch open Keplr Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account by entering the wallet's password. Once you're logged into your wallet, from the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right hand corner. This will then open up the settings interface, from where you'll need to scroll all the way down and tap on delete this wallet. But before deleting your wallet, make sure that you first back up your seed phrases in case you'll need to restore your wallet back again in the future. Before deleting your wallet, make sure that any funds remaining on your blockchain will still be associated with the account's address on the blockchain. Any tokens or coins that are stored in the wallet will still be associated with the account's address on the blockchain. Never share your seed phrases with anyone as it provides complete access to your funds. Store it securely offline if you need to retain your wallet in the future. So if you want to continue deleting the wallet, tap on delete this wallet and enter your password for your wallet to continue account deletion. Once you are done, tap on approve and you will be able to delete your wallet for Keplr. So that's how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.